Hello people, and welcome to another tutorial. This one's going to be slightly advanced on Photoshop. I've got three pictures here. Gems, brick wall, and a rough rocky surface. What shall we start with first? Let me think here. Blending. Now let's say, for example, I want these gems to show up through that wall. Let's just move that to a new window for a minute. Right, so first thing we're going to do is drag it over, like so. And actually I'm going to resize that, just so it's over top of it. I did that with Control and T. Okay, so it's just over the top like so. Now we could do it manually by deleting some of these greens, setting blend mode and blah 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 blah, but there's an easier way to do it. Go to blending mode or blending options and blend if grey. Now this is a good one. We can mess around with this and make the brick come through, or other way around, either way. Delaying there, like sure. It is a good nifty tool. Let's just change that into layer and change them over. Blending options. And if you hold, is it Control? No, it's not Control, is it Shift? Another. No, Alt. There we go. Alt. You can actually split it. Same with that one. Giving you more control. Obviously it's not perfect and it takes some practice. You can also change your colours from red, green, and so on. There is some uses for that, but so far I've not found one. So there we go. Which one's this anyway? This is brick. So get rid of that. Leave that there. What else we got? Let's say I want to change colour of this. It's too red, I want it reddish colours. That's what this is for. I'm going to use that to colour this. And I'm going to do it by going to Image, Adjustments, Match Colour. Now this is a great one. Your source, Astro Gems. Look at that. And it's as easy as that. Brick wall, or something like that, a sandy colour. Obviously the more colour you've got, the better it'll come through. The more colour variations you've got in your picture, the better it'll come through. And obviously you can change fade and stuff up here, or you can neutralise it. Personally I don't like to do that. Okay, so that's one of them. What else we got? Something more relevant, let me think. How about tiling? Because everybody likes tiling. I'm going to tile this picture. This is probably one of the most complex pictures there is to tile. A lot of people start going like this and moving it across and tiling it and cloning it onto audio. You'd be there forever. So never ever ever do that. What we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this and we're going to offset it. Filter over offset. And we want about halfway. Oh, it is about halfway. Let's have a look a little bit further on. Yeah, about there. And we're going to set the top bit with selection tool, and close to the seam as you can get it. Then Control and C to copy it, and Control V to paste on your layer. And we'll just move it down slightly so that somewhere where it'll blend in nicely. Say about there. Then I'm going to use rubber. I'm just going to delete some of it. I use a faded one, by the way, so it's not as harsh. And just delete round seam and blend it in best you can. Let's have a look there. Yeah, maybe a little bit more there. Get that colour coming back in. And a little bit more there. Show some more of that. Oh, apart from a little shadow there. Yeah. Like that. Actually that doesn't look so bad. I'm going to use my select, and if I hold Control and not there but actually there on the picture, click it, it selects it. Now I'm going to hold Shift and select a little bit down here as well. Then Image, Crop. There we go. And I'm going to merge it down to that one by selecting both and then Control and E. Then we're going to do the same again for the other side. So Filter, Offset, and 0 that one, and we want it horizontal, about halfway if I can, a little bit more, a little less, yeah, about there, and do the same again. Select it up to there, Control and C, Control and V. And then we'll move that across a little bit to just near that rock, I think. Yeah, there. And same again. Delete some of the same. Yeah, a little bit more off of that. Actually, a lot more off of that. Blend it in. Yeah, we go. Then do the same again. Control click. And a little bit on right. Image. Crop. And blend that down. Here we go. You can deselect that now. And I'm going to move that to a new window. And somewhere I've got a blank tile. There we are. Drag and drop. Command drag and drop. It's a bit small, is that? Let's zoom in a bit. Do 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 do. There we go. And if I duplicate it and move it to the side, one to the right, and duplicate again, and underneath, and duplicate again, and to the left. Boom. There we go. A little bit of a seam anywhere. No, that looks good to me. So there you go. That's our tile. And that's basically it. So have fun with that one.